Good morning, everybody. So look, today's gonna be another good day. That's gonna be another task completed on this car. I can't wait to have it all completely just finished, because these little tiny little burdens actually do become a huge burden after a while. So in today's video, you see me holding this right here. I'm gonna be replacing the door handle from the inside, because this one is broken, completely just shot. Really upsetting. And also I'm going to show you how to replace these right here too. Alright, so every single time I close the door, I can't freaking open it with this. I gotta roll down the window, stick my hand out, then roll it back up, and then close it. That is a freaking burden, bro. So in order to remove this door panel right here, there's a bolt right here, which is a Torx. I believe it's a 20. Then you remove this little airbag clip. Gosh, come on. It's kind of hard to do with your nails. That is for sure, but almost got it. It's a test to me, so you don't have to use any trim tools. There's another one in there. It's another Torx. And I believe there's two more. Yep, there's two more. One right here and another one right here. All Torx. I believe they're 20s, and as soon as you remove all four of those, there's a whole bunch of clips all around the door that you need to actually just pull out. I mean, you gotta yank it. Like, don't yank it too hard too, because you might break the clips, but majority of the time you won't break them. They'll just come off from their slots and they'll just go everywhere, so you just gotta freaking find them. It's like finding where's Waldo at, because sometimes those things do be flying off. There's clips right here as well. They're metal ones though, they're not plastic. So you got to really be careful with those. So you got to be really careful with those as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get my tools. Okay, so we got every single bolt taken off. And like I said, it's a 20 Torx. That's what I use. Now, so to take off this bolt, so as soon as you loosen it up, you can get a magnet or some actual pliers that are actually really small and thin, and grab it, because you don't want to go through the hassle of just taking it out there as soon as you take it, the door panel off. So it took me at least like 10 minutes to find something, but I mean, other than that, now it's just the clips, all around. And I'll try to place it somewhere so you guys can see how do I take it off. Okay, so now other clips all around. Actually not all of them. The top clips right here are not actually taken off. Every single clip around it is actually taken off. So now what we got to do is damn it. Jesus Christ. And you know what? It still beats the hell out of other cars too, because I had this Mustang. That freaking thing had over 20 something bolts. And then he had to take off the clips. That was annoying to the max. I was completely just mad when it came to that car. Okay, now that we got it taken off, okay, you can remove the whole door panel if you like, but if you're willing to work around it, then you could. All you got to do is just have something underneath to actually like lay it on, and it'll hold by itself. And this is what you're looking for, this right here. Remove these torque bolts, that one, and the one in the middle. As soon as you remove that, you're gonna have access to the actual door handle itself, which is right here. But first, what you want to do is remove this. You got to remove this one right here, and to do that, all right, so to remove this right here, you just pull it up like this, and that's it. As you can tell, damn, this thing is not in the middle. It's not in the best. As you can tell, this is not in the best condition. But anyways, all this is broken. freaking sucks. So now, like I said, I got like a little, I don't know what the hell that is, but I think it's like a cooler. Now I'm about to remove those bolts right there. Okay, so I forgot to explain how to remove this right here. So it's on like this, right? It's on like this. There's a little clip right here. You just push this back and then just pop it out. That's it. Now time to put the new one in. Okay, so yeah, it wouldn't go in when the door handle is like this because there's still a piece that was broken inside this mechanism right here. It was inside right here, so it just wouldn't go in flush. So that's all you do. That's it. Now you got a working door handle. So now what you got to do is the reverse process. Oh, damn it. All right, everybody, I'm gonna let you go. But yeah, just reverse process and you're good. I gotta fix this little trim piece right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see if it works. 100% is gonna work. Look at that. I can finally open the door from the inside. So just remember, there's 5, now 4 for this model, at least. One right here, one behind this clip, one right here, another one back here. Remove all 5 and then clips all around here, metal clips right here. So just start prying from here until you take it off. Be careful, do not just yank the dang entire door panel off. Other than that, that's how you do it. Okay, everybody, I'm about to teach you how to remove the door window switches from a BMW E46. Okay, so now this varies in design, but honestly, it's gonna be all the same actual method. It's gonna be the same steps, all right? Besides just the different sizes of window switches that you have. Okay, actually, let me give you an example. This switch right here is from an actual sedan. These two are from a coupe. So now, as you can tell, there's a difference. You got the actual window locking switch in the actual window component. The window locking switch is, actually, I don't even think we have one. What the hell? Yeah, we sure don't got one. To remove these, this is the step that you got to do. This is the first one. You see this right here? Even if you have an automatic, you can still actually remove this right here. Dang it. Like I said, it's extremely hard. Just one hand, but I'll get this, y'all. I'll get this. There you go. All right, so automatic, same method. So now, there's 2 bolts right here. Phillips screws. Remove these 2. There we go. I remove those 2 bolts. Scratch that. There you go. I removed both of those screws. As soon as you remove them, this is going to be extremely flimsy. All right, so now let's look underneath. There's a connector right here, and also there's another connector right here. You got to push it down here and also the other side too. So both sides you got to do it simultaneously. There you go. I know y'all didn't see that because my fingers were actually slipping. They went down like that. But anyways, as soon as you do this right here, you see these 2 right here, these 2 little plastic pieces. Push them down. All right, so as you can tell, look, you're removing them from the little resting area and just pull down, and that's it. As soon as you take it off, just make sure you line everything back up. Which, look, there's a little piece right here. You see the little gap right there? You got to line that gap in the middle with this plastic piece right there so it can go smooth. There you go. And now all you got to do is just reconnect it as soon as you replace the new one, and then put everything back and put the screws back in there, and you're done.